Puerto Rican Mike here in Puerto Rico with Puerto Rican Jesse. Jesse's just woken up from his grizzly bear nap, and now he's going to try to attempt to fix the lights before the nightfall.
Fixed.
And I fixed the filter.
I know you told me.
I wasn't sure if you remembered. You were half asleep when I came and woke you up.
Because you didn't have it on.
I'm not putting it on. Oh wait, I have confidence in myself that it's fixed, but maybe now I'm thinking maybe you're right. Maybe I should turn the generator on just in case the thing explodes.
Oh.
We don't want to do it at night. Anyway, Puerto Rican Mike and Jesse, we're here in Puerto Rico with the beautiful rainbow behind us, as you can see. And Mr. Marone is fixing the house from the hurricane. The pool needs to be vacuumed tonight. And so we're here in Puerto Rico. We had McDonald's today, which is pretty good here. There's one spot where we know to get McDonald's. And I fixed the pool filter. There's another rainbow there. Look at that. Double rainbows. Right over there.
Mike, I'm fucking busy here.
There's another rainbow. Over there. Two rainbows from Mike and Jesse. And one over there. Two rainbows again. We got one on the far side and one on the even side. Two rainbows.